and she been had it like for years. Vine, Periscope. Hey, baby, I watched her, man, from nothing to something. What up? What it do, YouTube? Your girl is back. So yes, it's been a couple of days. Like, don't play. I'm sorry. I ain't been around, but Auntie been working. And I've been so mad. Let me tell y'all how this went, because you know y'all like my folks. So when I be getting angry and mad, I gotta come back and tell y'all what's going on. So let me tell y'all about this bullshit. So I came to the customer 2 days ago, right? Orlando, Mississippi. If you know where they at, it's like closer to like Memphis, where I'm from. So okay, y'all, get to the goddamn place, check in. I'm talking to the lady because it only took me a day to get here. Like, it really didn't take a full day. I was here, I really could have got unloaded the same day. Alright, so came in probably 9:30, September 30th. Get them folks my information. The lady gonna say, ma'am, this load ain't supposed to be delivered until 10/9. Baby, who? 10/9 who? It is 9:30 on this side. Who finna sit on the load for 10 days? Y'all got me messed up. So immediately I get a call in my phone, because I'm like, nah, y'all need to fix this shit. Like, bro, I ain't come all the way down here to sit for not no 9 days. And baby, I'm gonna be already off the truck. Look at me. I'm gonna be already off the truck. Do you hear me? So I got stuff to do, because I'm finna give y'all some content. Like, it's time for me to go on vacation. I'm tired. Like, I need to go. I need to go. So they was like, no, the customer said the same thing toward 9:30. Let us figure this out. Now, when you tell me you gonna figure something out, I'm like, okay, they finna get witty. Baby, I ain't no figure something out means 2 days later. They just don't know I'm finna get them this red stamp and they finna pay me for sitting here. Like, I ain't got time for this. Y'all need to compensate me. Give me a couple of hundreds. Y'all got it. Give me a couple $1,000s or something. I done sat here and ate twice in Osaka. Baby, they had to come all the way from Olive Branch, Mississippi, and bring me my food. Don't play. Might as well eat good since I'm finna be here. But I ain't know I was staying for 2 days, because if that's the case, I could have told my folks come get me, and then I could have been at the house chilling. But yeah, so y'all already know I was pissed off. But I think I end up, well, today is what's today is, y'all? God damn. Today is 10/2. Yeah, 10/2. Now, keep in mind, y'all, I got to get my medical card renewed. That's the thing. I got to get my medical card renewed. And basically, I'm not supposed to be on the truck because I got to do a physical. After 9/3, I can't be on the truck. And, yeah, when I see I was so irritated. So, I'm like, look, y'all, I got to get back. Anyways, I was like, okay, I got to cut that part out. So I'm like, look, all right, cool. I got to get back because I need to get my physical done. That's basically what this going to be. I got to get my physical done. I ain't trying to lose my CDLs because y'all playing around. We ain't finna horseplay. Like, get me back to the yard. So I'm already irritated, y'all. And I slick got mad at the man. Really, he had nothing to do with this. He was like, yeah, you getting unloaded on 9/2. I said, no, give me to the yard. Y'all was so irritated. He was like, but we can change your schedule for your physical. No, I don't want to change nothing. I was talking about, I'm mad, I'm pissed for no reason. I wasn't pissed for no reason. They had me messed up. I shouldn't been sitting here. He was like, I'ma just let so-and-so handle this. I said, all right. I stood on business for a couple of, like, 5-10 minutes. But eventually I end up rescheduling my physical. But still, y'all inconveniencing me. I ain't for all that. Like, y'all inconveniencing me and I ain't got time. Like, bro, I'm ready to go. Like, at this point, I don't even know if I want to finish my little couple of days, because I'm going to still be on the truck for at least to 9/4 to 9/8. Like, I'm still trying to get a couple of dollars in because I'm going on vacation. And the little money that I do have, I have to put money to the side for like trucking expense. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know I'm nosy. So if I'm looking a different, direction, I'm just being nosy. But yeah, so yeah, it's just one of them things. Like, bro, I'm not gonna play with y'all. But they figuring it out. And we finna be out of town. I can't wait. I gotta show y'all my outfits. I did buy like this little outfit or whatever like that for when I go out. Y'all gonna know where I'm going, and I ain't finna tell y'all now. I'm gonna tell you later. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update. Your girl been around, but baby, they threw me off with them 2 days sitting here. I ain't trying to be here that long. As long as I ain't out there in them bad weather, like with the bad roads and stuff, I'm grateful and I'm thankful. But now, y'all gotta get it together, cause when it's time to go home, it's time to go home. I got doctor's appointment on the 9th. I got a lot going on, so I'm gonna take y'all on that journey or whatever. When I make it back to Texas, driving to Texas, like, shoot, my battery in my car died. I already know what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and get a new battery though. But yeah, I just wanted to keep y'all updated because baby, they had me messed up. I'm not for it. I'm not for none of this. But right now we finna go ahead and I guess wait on these folks to call me because I'm ready to go. I got to pick up a load in Memphis. When I pick that load up, then I'm gonna have to take it to the yard because I got an appointment. So y'all, I'm moving. Y'all see I got my little safety vest. If I got this on, y'all already know what's going on. So we outside for sure. But yeah, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned, y'all. Oh, another thing. I had did the Snapkin. I did the Snapkin Zoom. If y'all don't know what that is, it's basically like, okay, if you know Supa, Wazam Supa Scent, New Orleans, Crayon Case, CEO, she started a community, and I love it because, I'm a person who like to network. I always been it. Like, I never been a type to hold back on my personality, who I am, and, hold back on meeting new people because you just never know who in certain rooms, and you don't know how it's going to benefit you or how you can benefit somebody else. So I'm just very excited that I had an opportunity to meet a lot of amazing people, like, and I'm still meeting them, like, every day. I try to branch out, show myself as a person, because who I am online is basically who I am off cameras. Like, there's no switching up. You're gonna get who you get, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just excited that I was able to be a part of something like that. She have a whole community that she's building, and she's starting to create for herself. And basically it's just she started a business off of it, and she's teaching us the ropes of how she started her business, how she gets started, how she started networking, how she started marketing, what tools she used, how you can become basically successful the same way she do, like how she started off. Everybody knew her backstory. Like, after she had her last child, she had, look at him, X-Men, I'm getting loaded, and after she had her last child, she ended up having a condition, epilepsy, and if you don't know what that is, you randomly start having seizures and stuff, and you lose memory, which Supa have done a lot, in her past, as far as accomplishments, with her business and everything. And it's certain things she don't remember. You know what I'm saying? She don't remember certain celebrations and certain praises that she had over the years. So it was just easy, to rebuild what she know was in her. Like, she knows she a hustler. She knows she's a go-getter. She knows that, she can get to the next level. You know what I'm saying? With her abilities and her strengths that she have as a person, and she have built over the years. So it's just good to see her, like, start over, like, a lot. And it's a lot of stuff, like, that she kind of vaguely remembered, but it's people like us who around who kind of remind her of certain things that she have done, or certain things that have her to the point where, okay, I still got reassured that you still got it. And she been had it like for years. Vine, Periscope. Hey, baby, I watched her, man, from nothing to something. Like, it's always been there. So I'm just happy to see her back in her zone, back on motion, back doing what she loved. You know, you can tell like she's very excited for this community, because at some point her community became very messy, to the point where people was loving her for her, but they also loved the mess that came with the media. And I feel like now she can rebuild and rebrand herself. Well, her brand is always gonna be who she is, but just to be able to have a community that support and praises, you know, the things that she do, because she really is, she's favored. And I had to say that, and I had to make it known, like in the Zoom, like, you very favored. I don't care. Like, we all build a relationship with Supa. Like, she's like either our big sister or our auntie. So, you know, we like any other family. God damn it, Supa, hell nah. You don't supposed to do that to yeah, bitch, do your big one. Like, you know, everybody had their ups and downs, so we all have our flaws or whatever, but we accept her for being authentically her. And she don't cut out or delete anything. She just put it out there. And I'm just happy, you know, to be a part of it. Just, you know, I give people their flowers regardless, because at the end of the day, at some point, you have motivated me in my life. You have done something for me where I wanted to continue to be a business person, or to do certain things, you know, to branch out, to, you know, come out my shell and just, you know, show my personality, you know, showcase who I am as a person. And I really do want to give her flowers. And I'm gonna put her picture up here so y'all know who I'm talking about, like, as I talk. So yeah, she's a great person. And when I say that, you just have to know your people. You gotta know who's here for you and who ain't. And that's basically what it is. And I might be ranting a lot, but that's all I want to say. I do have other videos I might add to this. I know I did go, y'all know I love a grocery shopping. Like, I like grocery shopping. I might add that to this video. And if I don't, I'll probably just keep this as like update on the road. You know, what I've been doing, how I've been doing it, you know, where I've been. Because I do, when I'm not on YouTube, I am trying to do other things, you know. It's money out here. But that's all I want to tell y'all. And baby, just wait for the next video. We on and popping, y'all. I swear to God, like, we got stuff going on. We got so much going on. I had to look before I get up off of here. I'm so mad because I really had to I'm selling my Usher ticket. I was going to Dallas, and my Usher ticket, I think it was for Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. But I had to sell my Usher ticket. I'm a little pissed off because, baby, at this point, money is calling, and I have to get it how I need to get it, okay? But yeah, but other than that, y'all, thank you for watching me. This is just a little update, quick little 1-2. You know, I ain't forgot about y'all, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.